Hello everyone, are you stuck with creating a bootable device? Here is the answer. Today we are creating a bootable device for Windows 11. You need a flash with a minimum storage of 8 GB, but to be on a safer side, we shall use a flash having 16 GB of storage. The requirements you need to have, first of all, you need to have an ISO image, Rufus or Power ISO, but for our video we shall use Rufus, which will help us to create a bootable on our flash. So make sure you have internet, go on your browser, search for Microsoft Windows 11 on Uptown. We click this one, the latest version, and then we go down and press our download button, and then in a few seconds our download show that it is downloading. I'll not download it because I have it. We also need our Rufus, so we go to rufus.ie, visit the download section, and then we get our Rufus. So we close our browser and open our Rufus. It is installed, but if you don't have it, you go to the downloads. Because we have downloaded it, you go to downloads and then you install it. For my case, I have it. So open our Rufus, make sure the flash is in the PC. It will be selected automatically. We now select our ISO image, navigate to the downloads area, and then we select our Windows 11 which you have downloaded. Say open, and then press start. Keep this same, okay, and then it will prompt you that it's going to delete everything on the flash, so make sure you don't have any data you need and press OK. And then we shall leave our process to run up to 100%. For this tutorial we shall speed up the process, but if you want our content, please press the subscribe button and give us a like. Thank you.